एक और बलूचिस्तान का ऑनर, the college has the tradition of honoring its meritorious and outstanding fellows by awarding gold medals, and we are very proud to announce that one of the gold medal is for a graduate of Bolan Medical College, Quetta. I am very proud to read the brief citation of Dr. Muhammad Ayub. This gold medal is sponsored by Professor M.H. Mubashir since 2010. It is awarded to a candidate who secures highest marks in FCPS Part 2 in discipline of psychiatry with the provision that such marks are not less than 70% and all the exams of CPSP has been cleared in the first attempt. This medal is awarded to Dr. Muhammad Ayub. He graduated from Bolan Medical College, Quetta in 2015. He completed his residency at Jinnah Postgraduate Medical Center, Karachi, under the supervision of Professor Muhammad Iqbal Afridi, and Dr. Umar passed his final FCPS examination in April 2021 session in the discipline of psychiatry by securing 72% marks. I would like to request our chief guest, Professor Shehnaz Nasir Baloch, to come on the dais and award this medal to Dr. Muhammad Ayub.
دولت خان سعيد تسع دولت خان سعيد تسع بس जाओ भाई इधर से आ जाओ इधर आ जाओ क्लिक करके इधर आ जाओ
मैं एक और भी फ़ख्र के साथ कहूँगी कि पिछली दफ़ा जो कराची में कॉन्वोकेशन हुई थी, बलूचिस्तान का एक बहुत दूर दराज का लड़का सर्जन शकील, उसने जनरल सर्जरी में प्रोफेसर ज़फ़रुल्लाह चौधरी का मेडल जो था वो अपने नाम किया. This is another honor for Balochistan. Now I would like to request the most respectable Senior Vice President, Professor Khalid Masood Gondal Sahab, to come on the dais and read the brief citation of Dr. Ikramuddin.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's my great honor to read the citation of Professor Ikramuddin Ujjan, who is currently the Vice Chancellor of Liaquat University of Medical and Health Sciences. He is a great teacher, research scholar, academician, and above all, a great human being. Professor Ikramuddin possesses one of the highest qualifications in Pakistan in the field of hematology. He qualified MBBS from Liaquat Medical University of Health Sciences. He did his MPhil from Lahore and PhD in the subject of hematology. He is gold medalist while he was doing his MPhil examination. Currently he is working Vice Chancellor, Liaquat University of Medical and Health Sciences, Hyderabad, which is one of the largest public sector medical universities of Pakistan, and I think this is the first public sector university of province of Sindh. Currently he is also the Director Asian Consortium and Health Research, Nanjing Medical University, China, striving for enhancing the quality of higher education in many institutions at Pakistan and China. He has established more than 50 diagnostic centers under supervision of Department of Pathology of his university, and he provided free of cost diagnostic services to over 3.5 million during COVID-19 pandemic. Professor Ikram has published more than 70 research articles in national and international journals. He has supervised a large number of postgraduate students, including FCPS, PhD, and MPhil. He has been given the Best Teacher Award by Higher Education Commission of Pakistan in recognition of his academic contribution, professional caliber, dedicated and long services to the medical profession. College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan has awarded him FCPS without examination, and this is great honor for all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to present to you Professor Ikramuddin Ojan, Vice Chancellor, Liaquat University of Medical and Health Sciences, without examination.
मोबाइल वाला साइड मोबाइल डाले भाई. थैंक यू.
In HPE, Health Professional Education, Professor of Psychiatry, Dr. Hazrat Ali Khan. He is the Executive Director, Balochistan Institute of Psychiatry and Behavioral Science, BIMS, Quetta. Another good news for that institution is that CPSP has accredited the child and adolescent psychiatry unit in the institution of BIMS. It is another feather in the cap of Balochistan's fellow. So Hazrat Ali, for this I would like to request President, College of Physician and Surgeon, Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi, to present the diploma to Professor Hazrat Ali. Now, shield presentation ceremony. For this, our dear President, Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi is requested to come and present the college shield to our chief guest, Professor Shehnaz Nasir Baloch.
भाई साइड पे थोड़ा सा
Thank you very much, sir, for giving the college shield to Mother of Balochistan, Professor Shehnaz Nasir Baloch. We now continue with the proceedings of our convocation. I would like to request Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi, the President, College of Physician and Surgeon of Pakistan, to please award the diplomas to the fellows and members. So, first we will start with the fellowship recipients, and the first fellowship recipient is Muhammad Imran Khan. His specialty is anesthesia. Muhammad Imran Khan. Tanveer Ahmed Khan.
यार इधर थोड़ी सी जगह दे, सेंटर आ जाता ना मैं, थोड़ी सी जगह दे दो आप मुझे, मैं इधर आ जाता ना,
बैठ जाओ, इधर बैठ जाओ
यार थोड़ा साइड पे
बाकी टेलीफोन कार्डियक सर्जरी अब्दुल वासे, डॉक्टर अब्दुल वासे. Dr. Asfan Yar from cardiology.
आरुण फुल बना रहे हो?
Hikmat Ali, Dr. Mehmoona, Syed Muhammad Halim,
साइड वाले जो उसको हटा रहे हैं इधर उसका कनेक्शन में क्या जो कोई अपना फोटोग्राफर
Dr. Syed Sadiqullah, in chemical pathology we have Azadi Khan, Dr. Azadi Khan, Dr. Khushbakht, Muhammad Adil from clinical hematology, Muhammad Adil, clinical hematology, community medicine में we have Dr. Babar Shahid, Dr. Babar Shahid, in dermatology we have Dr. Surjit Kumar, in diagnostic radiology Dr. Abdul Rauf, Dr. Abdul Wahid, Dr. Farzana Rahim, Dr. Hafsa Qayyum, Sabra,
in the discipline of diagnostic radiology, Muhammad Khan, Dr. Muhammad Yusuf, Dr. Nasrullah, Dr. Nazia Khan, Dr. Sajda Gilzai, now we are presenting the recipient of FCPS in endocrinology, Dr. Matiullah Kamin. Dr. Sher Zaman Khan, in the discipline of gastroenterology, Dr. Abdul Latif, Dr. Inamullah, Dr. Inayatullah,
हम एक स्टेप पीछे आ गए।
Dr. Khalid Ahmed Tareen, Dr. Maqbool Ahmed, Dr. Masood Mohammad Kareem, Dr. Muhammad Hussain Baloch, Dr. Muhammad Salim Panizai, Dr. Niaz Muhammad, Dr. Waqar Azim Taj, Dr. Zafar Iqbal. Now we are presenting the recipient in the discipline of hematology, Dr. Saida Batul. In the discipline of histopathology, Dr. Javeria Faridi. Dr. Leila Zaid Bangul Zaid. Dr. Sabeen Afshan. Dr. Umme Farwa. In the discipline of medical oncology, the recipient is Dr. Hidayatullah. In the discipline of medicine, Dr. Abdul Wahid. Dr. Afia Haq. Dr. Dost Muhammad Khan. Dr. Hiba Sami. Dr. Madhiya Ali. Dr. Muhammad Hassan. Dr. Mohammed Qasim, Dr. Saima Khan, Dr. Saima Seal, Dr. Sandeep Kumar, Dr. Shakilur Rahman, Dr. Suhail Zafar, Dr. Tariq Ali. In the discipline of nephrology, we have got 2 recipients. Dr. Hamidullah, Dr. Numan Kashif. Dr. Numan Kashif. In the discipline of neurosurgery, Dr. Bashir Ahmed, Dr. Mahmood Khan Kibzai, Dr. Muhammad Shoaib, Dr. Muhammad Harun, in the discipline of obstetrics and gynecology, Dr. Bakhtavar Baloch, Dr. Barira Sadaf, Dr. Barira Sadaf, Dr. Farah Nas, Dr. Farzana Khan, Dr. Granaz Mangal, Dr. Jamila Noor Panizai, Dr. Kalsoom Noor, Dr. Khadija Saab, Dr. Nazia Haider, Dr. Nazia Idris, Dr. Nazis Baloch,
मुझे बता दो, मैं बना के दे दूँगा।
Dr. Parigul,
कल मैं ले जाऊँगा यार, प्रवीण रह जाएगा ना यार। चलो कुछ देर कर दो मिनट मुझे दे।
Dr. Rabia Iram,
मैं अभी किसका है?
Dr. Ruxana,
जब आएगा मुझे बता दो।
Dr. Sadia Gilzai, Dr. Safia Iwaz Ali, Dr. Saira Hashmi, Dr. Saira Hod, Dr. Salma Achakzai,
फिर बता दो।
Dr. Shazia Ramzan,
इसमें बैकअप बन जाएगा, इसमें कुछ होना।
Dr. Sumaya Ramzan,
सेंसर लगा रंगा हुआ है।
Dr. Zahida Kamal. In the field of operative dentistry and endodontics, we have got two recipients, Dr. Samad Mahmood,
Syed Ataullah Shah, in ophthalmology, we have got 3 fellows: Imran Khan Bazai, Dr. Imran Khan Bazai,
ये इन्होंने एमएक्स वाली ये वाली
Dr. Laila Khan,
ठीक है। वाइट चादर है ना।
Dr. Najibullah Khan, in orthodontics we have Fakhira Nizam, Dr. Fakhra Nizam,
ये वाली
Dr. Masuma Hamid,
हो गई बस।
Dr. Masuma Hamid, Dr. Mehreen Butt. In our surgery, we have Dr. Ahmad Ali. Dr. Ahmad Ali. Orthopedic. Dr. Badal Khan. Dr. Bahar Shah. Dr. Masood Ahmed. Dr. Masood Ahmed. Dr. Mir Behram Khan. Dr. Mir Behram Khan. Dr. Muhammad Salim. Dr. Muhammad Salim. Dr. Mohsin Ali Khan. Dr. Mohsin Ali Khan. Dr. Nematullah. Dr. Shahzeb Riaz Baloch. Dr. Shahzeb Riaz Baloch. Dr. Shamsullah. Samiullah Khan. Samiullah Shah in otorhinolaryngology. Only one fellow, Samiullah Shah. And then pediatric surgery, Dr. Abdul Jabbar. Dr. Abdul Jabbar. I wish के pediatric surgery भी यहाँ पे शुरू हो जाए, रिकॉग्नाइज हो जाए सर. डॉक्टर अब्दुल जब्बार. डॉक्टर अब्दुल्ला. डॉक्टर इनायतुल्लाह. डॉक्टर इनायतुल्लाह पीडियाट्रिक सर्जरी. डॉक्टर रियाज अहमद. In pediatrics we have Barkha Piryani. Fawzia Sayyed Rasool. Dr. Fawzia Sayyed Rasool. Dr. Peer Jan. Dr. Rukhsana Habib. Rukhsana Habib. Dr. Sayyid Bilal Ahmed. Dr. Sayyid Mueed Ahmed. Dr. Syed Mueed Ahmed, Dr. Zakaullah Kakar, in periodontology we have Dr. Irshad Ahmed, Dr. Irshad Ahmed, Alhamdulillah, we have every specialty from Balochistan. We are very proud. Dr. Kapil Kumar, Dr. Kapil Kumar, in plastic surgery, we have 2 fellows, Maheen Mehboob Ali, Maheen Mehboob Ali, Dr. Noor Ali, in prosthodontics we have 3 fellows, Dr. Khudaidar, और लड़कियां भी कोई कम नहीं है किसी से बलूचिस्तान की. प्राउड ऑफ डॉक्टर रिफत अब्दुल्ला, इतने मुश्किल सब्जेक्ट में जिसका नाम भी हमें नहीं लेना आ रहा है. डॉक्टर रिफत अब्दुल्ला, डॉक्टर समिया शफीक, and then psychiatry, Dr. Amjad Khan Jadoon, Dr. Amjad Khan Jadoon, Dr. Fazlullah, Dr. Muhammad Naseem Nasir, Dr. Muhammad Naseem Nasir, Dr. Muhammad Ayub, Dr. Muhammad Ayub, Dr. Shah Nawaz, Dr. Shah Nawaz, Dr. Suhail Ashraf, Dr. Suhail Ashraf,
from the specialty of pulmonology, Dr. Habibullah Kifzai, Dr. Dr. Ishfaq Ahmed, Dr. Muhammad Yasin, Dr. Rizwan Azam, Dr. Sayyid Amanullah Shah. Next is specialty of rheumatology. Dr. Sheikh Mohammad Khan. Dr. Syed Nazir Ahmed. Next specialty is surgery. Dr. Abdul Rabb. Dr. Abdul Sattar. Dr. Aisha Arshad. Dr. Ajmal Khan Bazai. Dr. Ataullah. Dr. Bakhtawar Aruj. Dr. Irshad Ahmed. Dr. Mehwish Ali. Dr. Mohammed Anwar. Dr. Mohammed Aslam Khan. Dr. Mohammed Hayat. Dr. Munazza Laire. Dr. Nazir Ahmed. Dr. Rehan Farooq. Dr. Zebun Nisa. Dr. Zakir Hussain. Dr. Zaraf Khan. Next discipline is urology. Dr. Asad Ullah. Dr. Asfan Yar Panizai. Dr. Maqbool Jabbar. The next discipline is vascular surgery, and we have only one candidate, who is Dr. Syed Muhammad Azim. Now we have concluded the FCPS. We will be starting with MCPS recipients. The first would be from the discipline of anesthesiology. This is Dr. Syed Abdul Latif Shah. From the discipline of dermatology, Dr. Faiz Bibi. Dr. Sadia Nadeem. In the specialty of diagnostic radiology, Dr. Saima. From obstetrics and gynecology, Dr. Balkis Shehnaz. Dr. Mavish Zainab. Dr. Sadia Sadiq. Dr. Shaista Yasmin. From the discipline of ophthalmology, Dr. Iram Noor. Next specialty is pediatrics. Dr. Abdul Baqi Isa Zai. Dr. Faraz Shehzad. Dr. Suzanne Zehra. Dr. Vinod Kumar. Next discipline is psychiatry. Dr. Javed Ali. Dr. Muhammad Ali Baloch. Dr. Shah Muhammad. Dr. Silsila Shehzad. From the next will be the discipline pulmonology. Dr. Asadullah. Now I would invite Dr. Aisha to conclude the session.
Thank you very much. I have never seen such an organized audience. Now I would like to request our beloved Professor Shoaib Shafi, the President of College of Physician and Surgeon of Pakistan, to declare the convocation closed.
I declare that convocation is closed.
I, Professor Muhammad Shoaib Shafi, President, CPSP declared the 55th convocation of the College of Physicians and Surgeons, Pakistan closed.
Thank you very much.